Reviveitsisters, and I'm going to be doing a video on reviving my 32-foot RV. Behind me here, this big, huge canopy is my RV. It is a Coachman Freelander 32-foot Class C RV, and I'm going to be doing some DIY stuff inside, and I'm going to videotape how we do it, and we're going to be reviving our camper back to something new. And Shane and I are going to take it out, and we're going to do a lot of thrifting with it and go into yard sales and estate sales, you know, in different states. And we're going to take this puppy with us. So let's go inside and see what we're going to do today. Let's put it around here. We had a really big windstorm on Saturday and Sunday over the weekend. A couple spots got ripped. Ooh, like all this. Like this is way too far over. What happened here? It's like really far over. Not sure what's going on there, but something's happening there. Something is happening. What is happening to there? I don't know why there's so much bulk on that side. Oh, I see. This all pulled up or something. All right, well, I think it's okay. Sorry, you're just getting a whole face full of tarp there. All right, so let's unzip this. I'm going to put you down for a second. For my two hands. Okay. All right, let's go inside. Can't open it too much because I don't want it to rip. Oh, the lights are on. Okay. Lights. That light's on. Somewhere. Lights. Interior. Ah, there we go. Interior lights. Interior lights are on. There we go. Now we have some light. So, this is the inside of the camper. How I bought it. It's in very good condition inside. The couches and all the seating is good. We had a leak here with this part. We had a leak. So I'm going to be taking this off. And just taking that part. We don't need that. So today, Dad and I are going to put in a television. So I have a 32-inch television here. And we have some wood, which I think is still in the shed. So we have to get that. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to use this mount that I got at Target. This is the mount that's going to be put on the wood. It's going to hold the television. So we're going to do that. So I'm going to go see what my dad's doing. It's going to go up there. And I'm supposed to get slip covers today because I'm going to put slip covers over the couch and slip covers over the dinette to make it more updated. And then eventually I'm going to take off all the valances. I'm going to keep the blinds. I'm going to take off all the valances. All right. So check back with you later on as we're putting in TV. Okay, well, it took a bit. It took a lot. It took a good hour and a half to put this TV in. It was a lot of work, but my dad and I did it. We got it in. We had to put this whole new board in. Turn this light on. There you go. We had to put a board in here. It's plugged in through there into the plug behind the wall. So basically we had to put a wall in and then basically put the whole TV on the board and then hold the board and the TV up in the air and then screw it into the framework there. So it took a lot of work, but it's up. And it's super comfortable. I can sit down here, put my feet up, and watch TV. And my puppy Finley is having a blast because he loves the camper. Right, buddy? You love it. He's so excited to be in the camper. He can't wait to go on his first ride. Well, not his first ride. Our next ride, which will hopefully be in spring. So the next thing is we're going to have new slip covers, and then we're going to take down these valances and paint. Hopefully eventually it's going to paint. And then I'm going to change out the handles. I think I'm going to keep the brown wood because there's an awful lot of it, and I don't mind the brown wood, actually. But it'd be nice if I could put like maybe wallpaper or something on here. I don't know. I'll have to see how that goes. But mostly, I do like the brown cabinets. I think they're a nice light brown. And I think with white, like a white coloring on the walls or a whitish gray would look very nice. But right now I'm super excited because it's so quiet in here and peaceful, and this could be my place to escape when things are going too crazy in the house. Right, Finley? We can escape in here. Alright, so stay tuned for the next thing that I do, and I'll be sharing that with you. Bye for now.